Hey, keep your real still.
Look at Sissy.
Come on! Come on! Come on! He's so far away, Mom. I'm sorry, no. First turn. Oh,
What are you doing?
oh. Oh, that is super close.
Yeah, you're zooming in.
Just a little.
Here, Tata.
Do you even know what you're looking at?
Yes.
There you go.
Come on, I'll do it myself.
Oh, you'll do it yourself? Here.
Come here.
Since you're the smart one, you know how to do everything.
Come
Look,
here.
you take a picture. Look what you're taking a picture of. You're taking a picture of the floor.
I just wanted a video, so let's stop it and do it again. I was
Why?
going to send it to people and people don't want 5 hours of floor. Let go.